Alright, my name's Connor and welcome to Conster Films. Alright, let's go.
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
This is a terrible idea. It's okay. This is a terrible idea. Where'd my phone go?
I have.
I just rode this buggy down this fucking little ramp. I hit rocks, went flying out the buggy. My hands are bleeding. That's always fun.
Are they actually?
A little bit, not really. More like a joke. I mean, they fucked up pretty good. You want to go down there, bro? You can take the camera with you. Well, I ain't going down there. This could be the fucking exorcist down there or some shit, man.
Are you gonna go down?
I mean, why not? We should all go down.
Are you gonna get back up? I'm just gonna see. You can climb. I can't see.
Hell yeah, I'm a spider.
Hold on.
I'm a spider. Oh, that's so scary. There's gonna be a fucking mongoose down here. Oh my god, it's a tunnel.
So what?
There's like a tunnel down here. Oh my god, it's a... Somebody else has to come down here. I'm gonna freak out alone.
You'll be fine.
No, I'm not. I'm scared of the dark. How do you expect me to go into this dark?
I'm scared of the dark too. I probably shouldn't go down there.
Come on, you're the goat.
I'm scared. Holy shit.
Dude, there's a whole tunnel down here. This is probably where all the pipes were. If there's an animal down here, we have to fight it together, okay?
Okay. Guys, I'm kind of scared.
I'm really scared. And I'm a grown-ass man.
I can't get out. Okay, there we go. Look, do you think they were playing cup pong down here?
This is where all the cavemen have parties.
Heck yeah.
You go around that corner first.
Fuck no.
Alright.
You're crazy.
Come on, fuck it.
No, I think... Oh, look, you see the light over there?
Yeah, that could get out.
Oh, shit. I'm not calling that light, though.
Wait, don't let me be
I'm not
loud.
leaving you. It's still here. I smell...
Girl has like, ah.
Are these... See, I told you not to go this way.
It wasn't a bit.
Nothing but wood.
It's okay. It's clear.
Until where?
We're going right there.
Really? As he says, ow.
Come on. What are you scared of? Some branches?
Yeah, when you just yelled, ow.
Yeah, that thing caught me right in the neck hole.
In the neck hole.
Yeah.
Caught me right in the neck hole.
No, I just made that up for the vlog.
A neck hole.
Got me right in the neck hole. Do you believe?
Oh. Don't leave me, Pano.
He's like, listen, I ain't a bitch. They both are looking at it. She's literally chewing her fingernails. She's like, I don't know. I don't think so. This is the scariest part. It even says pussy on it. I ran over it like a pussy too.
Now what? The only one that actually just stepped on that bitch.
I was like, all right, wait, how many am I at?
6.
Oh, God.
7.
7.
Don't look down.
8 might have been a high number.
8. 9.
You're almost there.
Don't look down, Connor.
I looked down, okay?
10.
Oh my God. Slowly coming, but fuck it, I made it.
God. Come back down, you got it.
I don't think going up would be that bad. Coming down would be the scary
Oh,
part.
it's so bad either way.
Hand it
How
to me.
high are you gonna go?
I don't know yet.
My
She's not
cousin
even
went
scared.
26.
You couldn't beat it, though.
Fuck no. Shit's scary as fuck.
Kenzie, please don't go that far.
Oh my God, she is really up there.
I can't even see her
Holy
anymore.
shit.
All right, come back
How
down.
many? Wait, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Your hands are at 15. Go to 20. Fuck it.
No.
Oh my God.
Fuck you.
Oh,
I
Look at me, let me see. She is so...
You're my best friend, but I can't watch you. I'll catch you.
No, you won't. Yes, I will.
Oh my God.
Those are some balls. For real.
I don't have those.
Mine are shrinking. Mine are
I don't got balls.
Mine are slowly shrinking as she's stealing all of them.
How far did you go up?
Like 20. I was at 10 and I was freaking
I don't
balls.
know how she just did that. Look, we'll
You're a
cushion you.
daredevil. What the fuck?
Nice.
Let's get the fuck away from this thing. This is sketching me out.
No. Yeah.
Okay, he's gone.
Throw a rock at him.
Should I?
No.
Ah! Sticking around. I don't know if it's gonna be possible.
You're fine on the roof. I just stepped on that bitch and jumped.
Too big to slide across.
My arm hurts.
Did she get up there?
Holy shit.
Hi. Oh shit. I can't zoom anymore.
That was so fucking scary. Alright, home dog.
Alright,
On this episode of Ghost Hunters, we take on the underground tunnel.
Connor, and this is exactly why we say you're not cool. Are they not coming?
Wait, get the fuck off of me. Oh, and my phone died right
Outside. Outside. Outside.
there. What the fuck did we get ourselves into, bro?
How dirty I am.
Couple of crackheads.
Yeah, I felt that.
There's one right there. And her new fucking.
I'm just Rae Dixon.
Oh my. Oh yeah, dude. Is that racist? No. Is it? No. Hey, don't do it. I'll do it if you can't. You have the biggest head. Kevin.
I don't understand how this bullshit works.
Shake it. You gotta like shit.
Now you gotta take a sip for good. Can I pop one?
Hey, fuck you, Rios.
You want me to do it? Don't hit it like a pussy, but don't fucking kill me.
Got you. I got it. Trust me.
What are you about to do? What are you about to do?
Smack it off his head.
You better. Did that go exactly how you planned it would?
Probably not.
How did that feel?
That felt great. I'm ready for round 2.